showing you the JR Okura, a 5-star resort-style hotel that's located right next to Huis Ten Bosch, also known as Japan's biggest theme park. The hotel is very closely located to the train station, which makes it easy to get to by public transport. We've already visited the Huis Ten Bosch theme park in our last video, so for now, let's see what the hotel is like and if it's worth it to stay here. Coming in from the train station, you'll notice immediately that the hotel is perfectly in theme with the park, as the building looks very similar to Amsterdam Central station. And while the outside may be very Dutch looking, once you go inside, you're welcomed into a large, luxurious Japanese hotel. We entered the hotel on the ground level and made our way to the second floor for check-in. Right across from the check-in, we bought our 1.5-day park tickets. The prices for the park are exactly the same as they are online or at the entrance gate, so there's no stressing about getting tickets since all prices and availability is the same. A bonus of staying at the Okura Hotel is that they offer hotel guests a special way of entering the park. Along with your park ticket and a certificate of your stay, you can board the touring boat that will drop you off right in the middle of the park, next to the Dom Tower. And if you want, you can also catch the boat right back to the hotel at the end of the day, or if you need a small break in between. Alright, let's check out the room we booked. Did we overpack?
No.
Here we are on the 7th floor, and dear viewer, we took a gamble as we booked the best available room and did not know what kind of room we could expect. On the website they offer all kinds of room types, such as high floor, slightly less high floor, standard floor, suites and Japanese Western rooms. We have to say that we weren't all too impressed at first since the rooms look kind of dated. Also, you can get either park view or station view, but the latter seems to be just the parking lot and the train station. So, without further ado, let's see if our gamble paid off.
As always, we're greeted by the lovely Lawrence. We step into the room, and right to this left side, we have a full-length mirror. Say hello, hello. And then when we go over here, you can see a part of the bathroom with also a really large mirror and a really big sink with lots of amenities, a good hair dryer, and right over here you've got your towels. Now for the rest of the bathroom, we go to the left, and then you can see the bathtub right over there, really nice, very comfortable looking towels, and of course, a Japanese toilet with all the functions. Love it. All right, let's continue on our journey right here. So there's a really large sized closet, and if you're cold, they even have some extra blankets in there or extra duvets. So air freshener spray, room to hang your clothes, in-room slippers. Love it. Then there's another mirror. These people really love mirrors. And here you've got a little coffee station and tea station with drip coffee, ice maker, or not an ice maker, another thing. Never mind. Let's open this up. And yep, here we've got the fridge, but it's not a freezer, just a cooling element. Let's close that again. And this is the luggage that was brought to our room already. It's got a large TV over here, and here are some menus, a little desk to sit at, right, but that's not why we're in this room, of course. Oh, I think this opens up as well. Hey, look at that, you guys. It's another mirror. What? Let's close that up, make a turn. And hey, look at that, it's Lawrence, staring outside the window, hoping to find more likers and subscribers in Huis Ten Bosch, Sasebo. Let's hope he finds them. Okay, now really on to the bed. We've got 2 twin beds and they look really huge and really comfortable. Let's bounce. Ooh, Not very bouncy, but it feels comfortable. So we'll report back on that later. And of course, there's also light switches right on there. But you know what? I'm not going to keep the suspension any longer. Let's check out the view that we have from this room. It is, oh no, that's not a great reveal. That is the park. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's the Netherlands, but better because the sun's shining and there's a beautiful ocean or lake in the background, and it's really just gorgeous. So really happy we've got this room. And now let's take another look at our room. Just turning around. This is it. Oh yeah, there's also a couch.
We absolutely loved the room. It was spacious, and despite the website showing an outdated image, the room seemed to have been renovated, and this one felt modern and warm. The highlight of the room though was the view, and it was absolutely stunning both during the day as well as in the nighttime. For our stay, we paid 14,000 yen per night, and that excludes breakfast. For a luxurious hotel like this, and being near a popular theme park, the price for our stay was an absolute steal. Moving on, let's talk food. There are quite a few restaurants in the hotel, and they offer all kinds of food options during the day. For breakfast, there's a buffet, and it's offered for 3,600 yen per person. We found the price to be pretty steep for the buffet, especially considering the rate that we paid for the room. But we have to say that the buffet did look pretty extensive. We decided to save our money for the park and chose to go to the family mart that's actually inside the hotel. I mean, when in fake Holland, you have to act Dutch, right? Aside from the mini mart, the hotel also has an in-house souvenir shop that comes with a bakery for bread and sweets. For some reason, it has a French name, but we'll just ignore that. As for the rest of the hotel's amenities, it wouldn't be a luxurious hotel without a natural hot spring. And this is what it looks like. After putting in so many steps inside the theme park, the onsen is a very welcomed bonus. For guests of the hotel, the onsen is free, but you do have to pay a bathing tax to use it. If you end up not using the onsen, you can return your ticket to the front desk and they will actually refund you the bathing tax. Overall, we enjoyed staying at this hotel a lot, especially because it had an extra entrance into the Huis Ten Bosch theme park and it was good value for money. Our gamble for the room paid off as we paid a very reasonable price for a beautiful room with a great view of the park. For our next visit to Huis Ten Bosch, we would love to try out Hotel Amsterdam or Hotel Europe in the park itself to see how the hotels compare in price and value. If you're curious about the theme park, be sure to check out our previous video where you can join our 1.5-day adventure inside the park. And if you want to see all of our upcoming travel in Japan and more, then don't forget to subscribe to us at Yes and Explore. We want to thank you so much for watching. Bye!